Alright everybody, today I'm out here with the Mambo, the Mars, and the McClain. Now, I did a video about 6 months ago. There's the Mambo, there's the Mars, and there's the McClain. I did a video about 6 months ago talking about these three quadcopters because I had just bought 3 of them. One of them I sent to Ron Brown, but I kept these 2 and my Mambo. And I just flew them for a minute in the house. You know, I didn't really do any kind of serious flying. But then after the video was up for a little while, I started getting these comments on there, and everybody was like, oh, well, this one's better than that one, and that one's better than this one, and this one flies better, and all this stuff. And I'm like, well, wait a minute, I don't remember that. I thought they were I thought these things were all the damn same quadcopter. They all take the same battery, and they have the same motors and the same size and weight, and I thought they were just all the same. But I guess not. So, well, I guess not according to some people. So let's see how they all act outside. That was just in the house, you know, doing some flips and stuff in the house. There wasn't really I love this Mambo. The Mambo is great. And you know, after you get it bound up to once you get it bound up to the controller once through the app, you don't have to use the app anymore. Look at them bank turns that it does. Super cool. Now it is on this brown ball field here, so it is jittering around a little bit because of the optical flow with the brown stuff. So, but it is what it is, so I just have to deal with that because I can't stand on the other side of the field. Normally, you know, normally I would stand over in that corner over there. That's usually my spot, and then I fly up over the trees and everything over here. But there's a problem. Mr. Sun is right there, so Mr. Sun says no dice to you. Okay, so I got a nice feel of the Mambo here. Okay, so I got a couple of minutes feel how that thing flies. So let's go to the McClain and see how that works out. Yeah, this doesn't seem to fly as nice as the Mambo. To be honest with you, it does not. Why that is, I don't know. The settings are the same. It seems to be a little more sluggish and not as responsive as the Mambo. I hear a little vibration going on up there too. And it seems to be a little mushy on the, you see how it's like wobbling around, so you see how the optical flow sensor on this one might be acting up a little more because of that brown dirt. Let's move it over here to the green and see if it changes its characteristics any. Not really. No, it doesn't seem to change any. It doesn't seem to change any of the flight characteristics on it, so I don't know. It just doesn't seem as sharp as the Mambo. Nowhere near as responsive. Nowhere close. Very sluggish compared to the Mambo. I guess you just couldn't tell this while you were standing in that little apartment, you know. I was standing in that empty apartment, just flying them 5 feet away from me, 10, 15 feet away from me at the most through the living room, so yeah, definitely this one is nowhere close to the Mambo. Nowhere close. All right, let's bring this one down. All right. So Mambo's got this one beat by a mile, no doubt. Okay, let's go to the Mars. Wow. Didn't see that coming. And then it went in the sand, so that's no good. Wow. That has never happened to me. Oh, these motors are sealed. There's no gears showing or anything. Oh, the prop broke. Oh well. Wow, that's a bummer. Oh no, it didn't break, it just bent. Okay. Wow, I never seen that before. That never happened inside when I was flying it. Wow. That's pretty wild, guys. Okay. Because there's still 91% battery on there. You seen that flight, it was 8 seconds. Huh. Boy, that thing sounds like it's straining like crazy. Listen to it. I think those props are a little faulty, but I guess it's handling it. Because that one was kind of bent up. It just loses bind and falls like that. That's not good. I wonder what creature that is. That looks like a, I don't know what. Any of you hunters out there, what is that thing? Velociraptor? Okay, so what's going on with this thing? I don't know. I've flown it in the house quite a few times. It never did this, but you know, I don't know what the story is. Now it does have the aftermarket battery in here. No, I have no idea if that has anything to do with it, because they work fine with the other ones. So, oh well. I guess the winner is the Mambo. Even though this one did seem to actually, for that little bit of time that I did fly it, it was way more responsive than the McClain. The Mars seems like it's better. So this other issue that's happening here, I don't know if that has something to do with the prop, or I'm going to put some new props on it for sure. But maybe it has something to do with the aftermarket battery. I don't know. I just don't know. So I unplugged it. It is. Okay. It just takes a while for these to bind up if you don't have the app on, which I turned on the app, but it doesn't even see the Mambo. So the Mambo is far and away the better one of these things, no doubt. Oh yeah, no doubt. Okay, so now you know. If you want to get one of these, buy the Mambo. Forget the other ones. There you go, guys. Can't go wrong. Mambo all the way. All right, guys. Have a nice day.